Hey y'all, so these are the new Louboutins, Altilege 4-inch. This is a 37 and a half. Probably should have went a half size up because I wear 7.5, 8, just depending on the shoe. And I'm thinking because it's a peep toe that's the reason why it's a tad smidge like perfect to fit. So next time I know I'll get a 38. But they are super comfortable. They are platform. They are pink and they are beautiful. As you can see, it comes with details on returns and exchanges, details about the shoe, how tall the heel is. It comes in this box that is wrapped in beautiful red paper with little stickers everywhere. It makes you feel really special. The box is really sturdy and thick to be a shoe box. It's one of those boxes that probably won't bend. It comes with these little baggies. Those have extra little heel points in them. Each shoe has its own bag, and it's a drawstring bag that you can keep to store the shoes in. The material is kind of like a suede material. As you can see, it has the tissue paper stuffed down into the toe and into the shoe to keep the form of the shoe. And there's a sticker on the ball point of the shoe that I left under the bottom just to kind of protect that red part that's under the ball of the heel. I really love how the platform is in this shoe because it's really easy on the arches of your foot. So as far as support, it's 100% supportive to your feet, to your body weight, because I'm over 200 pounds. I love how it makes my calf muscles pop out. It makes your legs look really pretty. Overall, this is a really sturdy heel. I've never had a heel this sturdy. They don't waver, they don't bend or anything. So, yes, you have to get you a pair. What are you doing? Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.